What up, YouTube? Go Farm back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And they wonder how the citrus was doing. I'm gonna update it. I love showing my citrus. Come see the citrus, y'all. All right, let's start with some of the new additions. I got this citrus this year. And y'all say I ain't saying that right, so I'm gonna let you say it. Say it. That's what it is right there. But it's put on new growth. All this is new. So shouts out to that Satsuma. Supposed to be cold hearted to 15. I don't know, this is my first year having it. Now this, I think, is my Eureka lemon. No, I'm sorry. Italian pink flesh lemon. She fruiting, I think I got this one last year. Yeah, it's doing pretty good so far. No complaints, no complaints. Fukushu kumquat. And this is 3 years old from seed. I got kumquats. 3 years from seed. Now, I know some people say 7 to 8 years to get fruit. Do your own research and grow your own citrus and see what happens. Can't tell you it's gonna work for you, but that's what we got right there. Now, speaking of kumquats, let's back up to this Miwa kumquat, y'all. Y'all count the kumquats. Count the kumquats. How many kumquats you see? How many kumquats do you see? I see a bunch. Ooh wee wee. As far as the eye can see, it's kumquats. It's kumquat. It's kumquat. Kumquat, kumquat. Now, kumquat harder down about 15 degrees. I put it in the winter. Put it in the greenhouse over the winter. It don't drop no leaves, y'all. So there you go. Miwa kumquat. Fukushu kumquat. Probably be a good person. This is another citrus from seed. This is an eye chain lemon. I don't know, it's growing good, but I don't think it's happy here. I got to do some things over the winter. Probably change the soil mix up. I don't know. Anyway, that's from seed too. And this, my friends, is a Thomasville centrange, and it got the name from Thomasville, Georgia. So, of course, me living in Georgia, I had to have one. It's doing okay. Nothing spectacular, no fruit. Uh-oh, bird poop caterpillar. Bird poop caterpillar. Now, I did a short about this on my other channel. It's gonna eat a few leaves, go in a cocoon, then next year it's gonna be a butterfly. I think it's a swallowtail. So I'm gonna leave him alone and let him do his thing for now. As long as he don't eat too much, he okay. Now this here, on this side of the greenhouse, this is the baby citrus. Just some babies over here Daddy working with. Yes, Daddy do love y'all, but he just trying to make y'all great. I was talking to somebody in the live stream about Harvard lemon cuttings. They do very well. Very well. That's a Harvard lemon cutting, probably 2 years old. And I cut it when it was really small. So, easy trees, I think, to take cuttings off. Harvard lemon, Meyer lemon. A little eye chain lemon back there in the back. That's from seed too. This is a Meyer lemon cutting that I took. It's doing well, it's taking off. And this is another Fukushu kumquat from seed. It's not as quite as big as the other one. Or maybe it is. But it don't have no fruit on it. So it ain't as great. I think this is the Dunstan grapefruit from seed. Dunstan grapefruit from seed. Something don't ate all the leaves off this joke. That's crazy. Something done ate all the leaves off. Okay. Oh, the caterpillar I was just talking about that I wasn't gonna do nothing about as long as it didn't eat too much. But you've ate too much. Now we finna get him up out of here. That's too much. But we ain't gonna do it on camera. I don't want nobody to call the folks. Some more citrus, and that's spectacular. I think this is a flying dragon. I'm not even sure about this one. It grew so fast. I got a tag. No, I don't have a tag in there. Anyway, moving on. Another Fukushu kumquat. I got a couple of these. But all these are I-chain. I think that's a Dunstan grapefruit. And this is a sunquat. Sunquat. And it got flowers on it. I am not saying they're gonna make it, but sunquat is supposed to be super cold hearted down to 10 degrees. We gonna find out, y'all. We gonna find out. Lemon baby, it's full to the brim. I don't know what else to tell you. She filled up. Something I'm super excited about, my UGA pink frost grapefruit. These are delicious. And they get so heavy, they end up on the ground. But these grapefruits get really big. And this is the most fruit this tree has ever had on it. UGA pink grapefruit don't take a long time to produce fruit. It's not that cold-hearted though. You will have to protect this one. And this is a little Harvey lemon that I took cuttings on. She doing pretty good. She doing pretty good. Not many complaints on it. I'm not worried about fruit yet. It's only like 2 years old from cuttings. So we all right with that one. Now this one, what is this? Pineapple orange. This is my second pineapple orange. And it's fruiting again. I don't know if it's gonna have enough time for that fruit to ripen. But we ain't gonna worry about that. We're just gonna enjoy it flowering because we know she ready. It ain't that she seemed like she ready. She already ready. You get it already ready. Moving on, moving on. Miwa kumquat, knocked the bug off it. And like that other Miwa kumquat, she fruiting and flowering. Fruiting and flowering. Yeah. She loaded. Bunch of good fruit on there. Bunch of good fruit on there. Yeah, I was gonna tell a lie. I was gonna say I'm gonna have to give away some of these Miwa kumquat. Lies you tell, I'm gonna eat all these. Every last one on. And this, most of my citrus tag, Thompson grapefruit. I don't have this in 2022. It fruited last year, not this year. That's okay. That's okay. It say orange. US 119 orange. That's what it is. First year I don't had it. It's not fruit. That's okay. This is just the first year. I got to get them good nutrients in them. And Eureka. Eureka lemon. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 0 last year, so that's, oh, I'm sorry, 11. I got 0 off for last year, so that's gonna be a good harvest. And I heard Eureka lemons, some of the best lemons. So we're gonna put it to the test. Now, I hear a lot of people say when these lemon trees ready to start fruiting, they usually say a certain size around the base. I don't believe none of that. I believe she gonna fruit when the environments are right and she over 3 years old. Just my opinion, don't quote me, go to Google. Y'all trust Google. All right. And my pink variegated lemon, 1 of 2 I have. Something jumped up. I don't know what it was. It don't matter, it's cool, it's cool. We still alive. We still alive. Variegated pink lemon. And let me get around here so I can show this off a little bit. Morrow blood orange. Now I don't know what that is on that. Morrow blood orange. I say it hadn't fruited. I lied. I was looking at the wrong tag. Now are they gonna be big? Hell no. But am I gonna eat them? Hell yeah. So that and this last little lemon right here. Yeah. This is a cutting from my Harvey lemon. No, I'm sorry, Meyer lemon. I see the tag. Meyer lemon. So it's gonna be a good year for Meyer lemons, y'all. And something else that I think people need to know. Lemons, mostly oranges, but lemons too, need a little coolness for that fruit to go ahead and ripen. Now, I'm not saying 30 degrees, but high 40s, 45, 46, leave them outside and it'll help that fruit turn colors. All right. My UGA lemon, and this is the craziest growing tree ever. It died right there one and I cut it back. So these limbs just went all which way. Limb coming this way, limb coming that way, limb coming up, limb coming up. But we don't care about that. We don't. Because, look here, y'all. This is a cluster of some of the biggest lemons I ever seen in my goddamn life. These are lemons, y'all. These ain't oranges. These are lemons. And these are lemons. This one's starting to ripen up. Now, first thing y'all want to ask, well, how does it taste? Just like a lemon. Just like a lemon. And both of them are loaded. Of course, I got two of them. What are you talking about? Why would I get one? What if one die? Exactly. Clusters. Clusters of lemon. Yeah. All right, Murcott Honey Tangerine. I got one. But she gonna be a good one. You know what I mean? Don't worry about it. She gonna get there. And then this is my orange quat. It's already starting to turn colors. We've been having temperatures right at 59. That's almost ready, y'all. Orange quat. They don't get big, but they good. Orange quat. Look it up. And this is the other pineapple orange tree I was telling y'all about. It ain't got but two. It produced a lot last year. I guess this is its idea of taking 1 year off. And this is I think my Satsuma. Let's see, we got tags. Keep up with your tags. It don't say. I think it's a Satsuma. We'll see when it fruit. It got a small fruit there. And this is a Harvey lemon cutting. And it's got lemons everywhere. Somebody gonna say, bro, you got too many lemon trees. You know what I'm gonna say. Shut up. This is the Brown Select Satsuma. I can tell this one easy. The crazy growth pattern on Satsuma. That's what I usually can tell by. It's some kind of Satsuma. Pink variegated lemon. You gotta wait till it turn yellow and all the variegation leave, all the green line leave. She ready for the world. Little lemon, not doing much. And then, let's see, can I get this tag? This is your Kishu Mandarin orange. Kishu, these gnats are bad. Kishu Mandarin. Thick, thick, thick. And I don't know what this is. That's why I tag it. Arctic Frost Satsuma. Yeah, I don't like the Arctic Frost. They are finicky. All that frost sound like they super cold hardy. They are not. They are not. And then I got my Australian finger lime. It's the caviar of citrus, y'all. It's the Rolls Royce of citrus. I'm trying to see if they soft, see if one of them ready. They ain't ready, but tree growing good. It got a bunch of fruit on it. Hopefully the fruit can ripen up before cold temps. But yeah, she nice. And this is my brown select satsuma in the ground. It made it through last winter, but it had some casualty limbs. I had to cut that end off, but she's still alive. And she gave me one fruit. She just saying, bro, I'm ready. I'm ready for it. All right, she putting on new growth. That's kind of bad for citrus trees that's in the ground because it's already a struggle to keep them alive. So that's automatically gonna die off. All that new growth, the cold gonna get it. But you're looking good. You're looking good. I'm gonna end with Big Mama, Big Mama, Big Mama. All right, and this is a Harvey lemon. So all the Harvey lemon cuttings I got came from this tree. Now it's flowering really late in the season. I don't know how many of these gonna mature. But also she got one down there just to say I can still do it. And she had a lot last year. But she take a year off. That's what citrus do. They take a year off sometime. And my Silver Hill Satsuma, my oldest living citrus tree. Silver Hill Satsuma. Now this Silver Hill Satsuma stayed outside all over the winter. She got beat up. She got beat up, I ain't gonna lie. But she's still here though. And that's all that matters. You know what I mean? All right. So to everybody out there like want to grow citrus, citrus takes work. It's a lot of work. But if you love doing it, it's not work. It's just something you do to get to where you want to go. And anybody in the comments that put, I got too much citrus, I'm going to block you. I'm going to block you. Don't worry about over here. Just worry about what you got. Any questions or anything about growing citrus, let me know. Because I'm not saying I'm the citrus king, but if the citrus king grew citrus, he would like my citrus. That's all I'm saying. The citrus that I have, if there was a citrus king, he would watch this channel and say, hey, you doing your thing over there, young man. Young man, that's funny. What up, YouTube? Bro Farm back for another video on this beautiful day. And it's about the citrus. Let's show this citrus today.